Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You must begin by opening your Warriorplus account, verifying email and entering payout details so you can get paid. Next, choose one focused niche and scan top vendors for offers with steady gravity. This narrows competition and clarifies messaging. Once done, generate your affiliate link and put it into a reliable link shortener or tracking tool so you can measure clicks and conversions. Make sure to document each offer's terms and commission structure before promoting. Now you construct the conversion path, a bridge page or email sequence that frames the offer for your specific audience. Focus on benefit-driven headlines, concise bullets, and a single clear call to action so visitors know what to do next. Include social proof like screenshots or short testimonials to reduce friction. Then tag links with UTM parameters and run split tests across headlines, creatives, and traffic channels to quickly identify what moves the needle. Keep it arranged. Launch your campaign and monitor metrics: clicks, conversion rate, EP, and ROI. If an ad is underperforming, pause it, double down on winners, and increase budget incrementally to prevent sudden spikes. Make small creative or headline tweaks and refine your email cadence to improve lifetime value. If things go wrong, first verify tracking integrity, then confirm the vendor's sales page hasn't changed and that your audience still matches the offer. Adjust targeting or swap offers until performance recovers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.